today how to make any time of year, but we're going to be doing it for New Year's, a New Year's pinecone dream spell. Okay, so what I have here, I'm going to show you guys. So what I have here is I have one pine cone. Our pine cones haven't really opened. It can be easier if you have pine cones that are open. I have a candle. I chose a red candle because that's what I had, but also because red is corresponding to fire, and I'm ready to have passion and focus in what I'm manifesting. And you'll see I carved in what I'd like, so prosperity and career abundance. Okay. I have my different herbs and oils and my little nail that I use in my workspace. So for my pinecone spell, I have holly, which is great for protection and luck. I have dragon's blood, which you guys will notice some of these things. These come from Spell Bar. There's a few things that does that, which is a great magic and spell place. But dragon's blood kind of amps up anything. You've got chicory root for strength and good luck. I've got orange peel, which I just save my oranges, guys, for when we eat them, for, you know, uplifting and prosperity and, you know, all the fun stuff. I have cedar, right? Focus and mental clarity. I love how they put them in the bags though. So I'm gonna keep trying to use these bags because it helps me remember. I have rosemary for protection. I have Spell Bar Queen Oil to come into my power. I have a abundance oil. This is a really awesome Annie Dalter Spell Bar oil blend that I use every year and just keep adding every time she makes it. It's got all sorts of goodies in the oil, money, glitter. It's great, smells great. But I use it every day too. I have cinnamon, which cinnamon attracts money and luck. That's my intention for it. I have allspice, which is also an attractor and brings forth your dreams. And then I have 3x3 powder that I think this is another Spell Bar kind of thing that I make and keep re-adding it in. But you guys should check that out. But 3x3, it's just an activator powder. You can use anything, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna be rubbing the powder all into our candle. Okay, so we're gonna take our candle, gonna rub our powder into it. You can do this with any herb. I like using 3x3 or fire powder, but I'm not using fire powder because this is a fire candle. So I'm rubbing that intention. Oh, got a step. I'm gonna rub it with oil first. Helps it stick, but also infuses that. So I'm using my abundance oil for this. A little bit far there, Munchkin.